Hello, dear friends. Today we will talk about a problem familiar to many people over 50 years old, swelling in the legs. You might have noticed, in the morning, shoes fit comfortably, but by the evening, your legs feel like they are filled with water. They become heavy, shoes feel tight, and socks leave marks. What is happening? Why is it happening? And most importantly, what can we do about it? Let's figure it out together. Today, I'll explain everything in simple words without complicated terms so that even a child can understand. Why this is important. Swelling is not just a cosmetic problem. It's a signal from your body that something inside isn't working right. It's like your body is shouting, "Pay attention to me." If you ignore swelling, more serious problems can arise. So today we will understand the main causes of swelling, learn how to identify the underlying problem, discuss simple and accessible ways to ease the condition and even get rid of the swelling. Causes of swelling. Blood stagnation. When we sit or stand still for too long, blood doesn't circulate well through the vessels. It gathers in the lower parts of the body. The body tries to cope, but it's hard. Simple example. Imagine pouring water into a long, thin hose and laying it on the ground. If the water flows too slowly, it will get stuck at the bottom. The same thing happens with blood in the legs. What to do? Stand up and move every half hour. Do light leg exercises. If possible, lie down with your legs elevated. Too much salt in food. When we eat too much salty food, the body starts to retain water. It thinks there might be a shortage, so it tries to store water in the tissues. If you love sausages, salty snacks, smoked foods, canned goods, be careful. They often cause legs to feel heavy by evening. What to do? Try to reduce salt intake. Replace store-bought foods with homemade meals. Drink enough clean water to help flush out salt from the body. Heart problems. Our heart works like a pump that moves blood throughout the body. If the pump gets weaker, blood stagnates in the lower parts. First signs. Swelling appears not only on the legs, but also on the stomach, hands, and face. What to do? Definitely visit a doctor. Monitor your blood pressure. Walk more outdoors. Reduce the load on the heart. Less fatty food, more light vegetables and fruits. Kidney problems. Kidneys are like an aquarium filter. They clean the blood from excess water and salts. If the filter works poorly, water stays in the body. How to notice kidney problems. Swelling appears not only on the legs, but also on the face, especially in the morning. What to do? Visit a doctor too. Avoid drinking too much water at night. Eat light food without too much salt and spices. Uncomfortable shoes. Tight, stiff shoes disrupt blood flow, especially high heels or completely flat shoes without support. What to do? Choose comfortable shoes. Let your feet rest. Walk barefoot at home or wear soft slippers. Massage your feet before bedtime. Lack of movement. Movement is life. When a person moves little, muscles become weak. Muscles help blood move upward against gravity. What to do? Walk more. Do simple exercises. Rotate your feet, rise on tiptoes. Find enjoyable activities. Swimming, dancing, walking. How to ease your condition. Legs elevated when resting. Put your legs on a pillow above the level of your heart. This helps blood return upward more easily. Cold foot baths. Dip your feet in cool water for 10 to 15 minutes. This will relieve heaviness and ease the swelling. Massage, gently stroke your legs upward with light movements. You can use a cooling cream. Wearing special stockings, you can buy special support stockings at the pharmacy. They help blood flow better upward. Paying attention to food, add more foods that help remove excess water. Cucumbers, parsley, kiwi, apples, cranberries. Summary, what we learned. Swelling is not just tiredness, but a signal of internal problems. Causes can vary, from prolonged sitting to heart or kidney. Issues. It is very important to understand the cause and act early. Simple steps. Movement, proper food, rest for the legs can really help. If the swelling is strong or persistent, be sure to see a doctor. How lemon water can help with swelling. Lemon water isn't just a refreshing drink. It can actually help if your legs swell by the end of the day. First, lemons are natural helpers for your kidneys. They gently encourage your body to get rid of extra water and salt. Two things that often cause swelling. Imagine lemon water like a soft broom that helps sweep out everything your body doesn't need. Second, lemons are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens your blood vessels. When your blood vessels are strong, blood moves better, and it's harder for fluid to leak into the tissues and cause swelling. Third, lemon water helps balance your body's fluids. It doesn't just flush you out. It helps your body use water the right way, keeping the right amount where it's needed. How to use it. In the morning, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. You can also sip lemon water throughout the day, especially if it's hot or if you've been sitting or standing for a long time. Important, lemon water is very gentle, but if you have sensitive teeth or stomach issues, make the lemon water a little weaker or drink it through a straw. Dear friends, our body always gives us signs. If your legs swell, it's not a reason to panic, but a reason to listen to yourself. Love your body, take care of it, and it will respond with health, lightness, and joy in movement. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel to get more useful videos and hit the like button so that more people can see this video. Stay healthy and take